Home. 4 letters. A spot on the map. A seat at the table. A place where you belong. Whether you were born in Danville or adopted it as your home, this is your city. Home to the heroes and the helpers, the artists and entrepreneurs, the makers and the movers. Home to lifetime legends and legends in the making. We are preparing for the future while preserving our storied past. In Danville, we cheer for every win, the big ones and the small ones. We empower our children. We energize each other. We embrace our neighbor. No matter what table you gather at, here, there's always room for one more. Here we practice down-to-earth Southern hospitality with world-class culture mixed in. If home is where the heart is, ours is big enough to hold over 42,000 souls with room for more. In Danville, we're building a home where everyone thrives, innovation propels progress, and each person matters. Our lives are connected. Our ideas are inspired. Our hopes are unified. We're building bridges. We're riding the waves. We're ready for what's next. This is Danville's golden hour. Bright lights, brighter future. This is our time. This is our community. This is our city. Danville is home.